Alright, so today we're going to do a very short video where I'm going to complete a swap of the turn signal lens, as you can see on the camera. So last week in the video you would have seen, basically the problem is the tab on this old, that's not good. So the tab here on this old turn signal lens here is broken off, and so it won't stay in place. So what we're having is we're getting an error light that this turn signal bulb was dead when it's really not. It's not really an error light, but when you turn the turn signal on, it's very fast ticking instead of the normal slow ticking. So for $20 I bought this replacement cheap lens on Amazon that I'm going to use kind of as a stopgap solution. So you can see this guy here. And that means I can remove the whole assembly here that connects into the wiring. So loosen it like so. It just comes out like that. Not too much fuss. Turn it to the right to tighten it, as we discussed before. Now the last little bit here is to take the good old dielectric grease. And as before, you just push some into the terminals like so. You don't need a whole lot of it. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do here, probably the best way to do this, is to take this out, the new light. And this should snap in. And it doesn't. What we can do here is use the old one. No fits. Plug that bad boy in. Put the turn signal lamp. Like so. see if it works. And as you can see, new turn signal runs. For whatever reason, the bulb that came with this new lens doesn't fit. I'm not really sure why that's the case. Sometimes it's just the way it is. It's very cheap stuff. I mean, really you should buy OEM parts, but because I have more long-term plans with this, it makes sense at the moment. So the long-term plan really is to swap this out for a coupe version, and because we'll have to do some machining to make it fit, I figured as a stopgap I'd put this new lens in. That'll hopefully stay, and then eventually it'll all be replaced. So for the time being, that should work. And next video I do here, we'll finish up the taillights from last time, and then we're also going to swap out the oil level sensor and do an oil change on the car. Please like, comment, and subscribe to GB Productions. Check out Greg's 4-wheel motion stuff, and check out my website, thegtstech.com. Until next time, good night.